Hello everyone, this is third part of past year CAT questions from the topic set theory. In the first two parts we discussed around 15 questions from the old CAT papers starting from 1990. In this video we'll start the questions from CAT 2006. Whenever question is displayed on the screen, pause the video, try that question by yourself and then continue with the explanation video everyone. So let's start. The first question is from CAT 2006. The question is, a survey was conducted of 100 people to find out whether they had read the recent issues of Golmaal, a monthly magazine. The summarized information regarding the readership in 3 months is given below. So we need to draw the Venn diagram for 3 months over here. Which 3 months? September, August and July. July, September and August. Hold on. After July clockwise it is August and then September. And then there is a none portion as well. Total number of people are 100. So let's fill the data in the diagram everyone. Only September is 18. Okay. Then total September is 28. Total July is 48. July and August is 10. The sum of this common region is 10. None of the 3 months is 24. September and July is 8. So look here, if this portion is 8, this portion is 18, this portion will become how much? 28 minus 18 minus 8. Okay, so 28 minus 26, that is equal to 2. So the value of this portion is equal to 28. From 28 we need to subtract 18 plus 8, that is equal to 2. Then September but not August is 23. September but not August is 23. September but not August means sum of these two portion. The sum of these two portion is 23. So 18 minus 23 is equal to how much? 5. This portion is 5 means this portion is 3 everyone. So now what we need to find over here, what is the number of surveyed people who have read exactly 2 consecutive issues? Exactly 2 consecutive means only July and August. Only July and August is how much? 10 minus 3, 7. After that only August and September, that is going to be how much? 2. So the answer of this question is 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9, which is option B over here. Question number 6 is from CAT 2018 afternoon slot. For the two sets A and B, let A triangle B denote the set of elements which belong to A or B but not both. The elements which belong to A or B but not both, then the number of elements, and this is how much? So what is the value of P triangle Q everyone? P triangle Q, we are supposed to exclude the common element. So the set will become how much? 1, 2 is a common element, 3 is a common element, 4, 5, 6, they are not common element. This is the value of P triangle Q. After that R triangle S. Okay, R triangle S, we need to exclude the common elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 7, 8, 9 is a common element, so we are not supposed to consider 9, and then 10. Okay, so now we are supposed to find, let's call this set as A and this set as B. So now we are supposed to find A triangle B. So 1 is common, so we are not supposed to include 1. Then 2, 3, 4 is common. 5 is not, 6 is not, then 7, 8, 10. So the number of elements in A triangle B is equal to total there are 7 elements are there. This is how we can solve question number 6. Question number 5 is from CAT 2018 morning slot. The question is, among 200 students, 105 like pizza, 134 like burger, and the number of students who like only burger can possibly what? So let's have a look at it. So there are two sets, pizza and burger, and then there is a none region as well. So this circle is for pizza and this circle is for burger. The total number of students who likes pizza is 105 and the total number of people who likes burger is 134. And the total number of people are 200 over here. So now the question is, only burger, we want to find the possible value for x. We want to find possible value for x. So let's have a look at it. So over here what we can do is, we are having options here. So can I write the pizza circle is 105? Pizza circle is 105. Out of pizza circle there is x and there is, let's say, none is y. This addition is supposed to 200 everyone. So x plus y, this addition it's supposed to be how much? This addition is supposed to be 95. Okay. So from this we can conclude that the value of x has to be less than or equal to 95. So over here we can say that the maximum value that x can take is equal to 95. So this 96 option is eliminated over here. So now let's see how you can find the minimum value of x over here. Let's have a look at it. So this is pizza, burger, and this is none. Total of burger is 134, total of pizza is 105. To find the minimum value of x, we need to maximize this portion. The maximum value of this portion is how much? The maximum value of this portion is going to be 105. In that case, only pizza is 0. Pizza and burger is 105. So the value of x is going to be how much? 134 minus 105. That is nothing but 29. So the minimum value that x can take is 29 over here. So over here option B and option C are eliminated. So option A is a valid option. Then question number 4 is from CAT 2018 morning slot. Each of 74 students in a class studied in at least one of the 3 subjects H, E and P. 10 students study in all 3 subjects while 20 study in H and E but not P. So let's draw the Venn diagram here. The Venn diagram, 3-set Venn diagram is going to be like this. Over here none portion is 0. Total number of students are 74. This circle is for H, E and P. Every student specialize, okay, each of 74 students in a class studies in at least one of the 3 subjects. Means none is equal to 0 over here. 10 students study in all 3 subjects, while 20 study in H and E but not P, means 20 will come over here. Every student who specializes in P also studies in H or E or both. From this we can conclude that only P is equal to 0. If the number of students studying in H is equal to studying in E, so from this what we can conclude everyone? If this is A, B, C, D, we can conclude that E is equal to H. It means A plus B is equal to C plus D. Then the number of students studying in H is how much? We want to find the total of H everyone. The total of H is going to be how much? 30 plus A plus B. So what other equations we can form, everyone? 20 plus 10 is 30 plus A, B, C, D. This addition is equal to 74. So A plus B and C plus D is also equivalent to A plus B, everyone. 74 minus 30 is equal to 44. So from this we can conclude that the value of A plus B is equal to 22. So our answer is going to be 30 plus 22, that is equal to 52, everyone. Then question number 3. A club has 256 members, of whom 144 can play football, 123 tennis, 132 cricket. 58 play both football and tennis. Hold on, let's draw the Venn diagram over here. So over here, this is football, this is tennis, and this is cricket. This is 144, this is 123, this is 132. 58 is football and tennis, and then 63 is football and cricket, and then 25 is cricket and tennis, everyone. If every member play at least one game, means none is equal to 0 and the total is 256. So then the number of members who play only tennis is how much? We need to find the value of A over here. So let's use the formula of union, everyone. So A union B union C is 256 is equal to the value of A plus value of B plus value of C minus A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A, that is 58 plus 25 plus 63, bracket close, and then plus all 3 is equal to B. So let's solve this everyone. This is equal to 256. This addition is equal to how much? This addition is equal to 155. 55 plus 54, 99. So 155, no, this is 255. This is 399. Minus this addition is equal to how much? 58, 25, 63. This is equal to how much? This is equal to 60, 70, 80, 130, 130, 146 plus B, everyone. So now let's solve this. 256 is equal to 9 minus 6 is 3, then 5, and then 2 plus B. So if you solve this, you will get B is equal to 3 over here. So let's put B is equal to 3 over here. This portion will be 55, this portion will be 60, and this portion will be 22. So only tennis we need to find. The value of A is equal to how much? From 123 you need to subtract 55 plus 3 plus 22. From 123 we need to subtract 77 and 3 is 80. This subtraction is equal to how much? 43 is the answer to this question. Now question number 2 is from CAT 2020 slot 2. Students in a college have to choose at least 2 subjects from chemistry, mathematics, physics. The number of students choosing all 3 subjects is 18. Hold on. So let's draw the Venn diagram over here, everyone. So every student is going to choose at least 2 subjects. This is chemistry, mathematics, and physics. So over here none is going to be 0. Only chemistry, only mathematics, only physics is also going to be 0. It is given that the number of students choosing all 3 subjects is 18. Choosing mathematics as one of their subject is 23. So the value of this circle is 23. Choosing physics as one of the subject is 25. The value of this circle is 25. The smallest possible value smallest possible number of students who could choose chemistry as one of their subject. So we need to find the minimum possible value of this circle. We want to find the minimum of total C, everyone. So now we want to minimize total C, means we want to minimize this portion and this portion. It means we are supposed to maximize this portion. So maximum number of people that we can accommodate over here is 25 minus 18 is equal to 7, or 23 minus 18 is equal to 5. 7 and 5, which one is minimum among 7 and 5? That is 7. 7 and 5, the minimum is 5. So the maximum value is equal to minimum of 2 subtractions. The maximum value over here is 5. This number cannot be more than 5, because 18 plus 5 is 23. If you write 18 plus 6 over here, that will be how much? 24. That is invalid because total of m is 23. So if this is 5, this is going to be how much? Let's have a look at it. If this is 5, this is going to be 0, and this portion is going to be how much? 25 minus 5 minus 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 25 minus 23 is equal to 2. So the minimum value of total C is equal to how much? 2 plus 18, that is equal to 20, is the minimum possible value, the minimum possible number of students who chose chemistry as one of their subject. Now question number 1 from CAT 2022 slot 1. In a class of 100 students, 73 likes coffee, 80 likes tea, and 22 likes lemonade. It may be possible that some students do not like any of the 3 drinks. Then the difference between the maximum and minimum possible number of students who like all 3 drinks is what? So let's have a look at it. So over here total students are 100. Out of these 100 students, 73 likes coffee, 80 likes tea, and 52 likes lemonade. So we want to maximize exactly 3 and then minimize exactly 3. What is the maximum? And there are some students who like none, everyone. So what is the maximum who likes all 3 drinks? The answer is going to be very obvious. The minimum of these 3 numbers, the minimum of these 3 numbers is 52. These 52 people can be part of this 73, can be part of this 80. So maximum there are going to be 52 people who are going to like all 3 drinks. So over here how the Venn diagram will become? This is coffee, tea, and lemonade. This is 73, 80, and 52. The maximum value of this region is 52. In that case, this part will be 0 as 0 and 0. The remaining 80 you can distribute over here. So likewise, we can say that the maximum number of people who likes all 3 drinks is minimum of these 3 numbers, that is 52. Okay, more than 52 they cannot like they cannot like all 3 drinks. More than 52 is not possible. So now the minimum number of people who likes all 3 drinks. So now over here what we need to do is coffee, it's 73, tea is 80, and then lemonade is 52. Let's say we are having 73 tokens of coffee, 80 tokens of tea, and 52 tokens of lemonade. Total how many tokens are there then? This addition is equal to 205 tokens are there. We need to minimize the number of people who are getting exactly 3 tokens. So for that what we will be doing? We will be maximizing the people who are getting less than 2 tokens, less than 3 tokens. Okay. So let's take a help of number line over here, student 1 to student 100. So let's say out of these 205 tokens, give every student 2 tokens. give every students 2 tokens. So 200 tokens are exhausted over here. The remaining tokens are 5. It's like, look here, the 100 tokens are distributed like this. The 100 tokens are distributed like this. And the remaining 5 tokens will get distributed again. So these are the 5 people who are going to have all 3 tokens. So the minimum number of people having all 3 tokens is 5. The maximum number of people having all 3 tokens is equal to 52. And this difference is equal to how much? 47. This is how we can solve this question.